Good morning guys, welcome to Petrolhead Tours day 3. We are starting the day with some awesome twisties to an incredible forest. We're heading over to Lake Annecy, I believe. I needed all the help I could get today in my car, so I've managed to shed some weight in the form of no Patrick from Talk Chasers. I believe he might be up front with the legend Pete.
Hello, good morning. This is a bit of a different start to Joe's videos as before, but I've jumped in the car with Petrolhead Pete.
Hey!
How you doing, Pete?
Very good.
Good. Thank God I'm not in Joe's car anymore. He is an awful driver.
Is it the smell?
It is. It's just everywhere. It's his armpits, it's his crotch, it's just... Anyway, so, like I said in one of the previous videos, we need to give you an experience of what it's like to be in a car with Pete. Now, there are many things that go on in a car with Pete. Obviously, there's driving, there's the steering, there's the looking at where we're going. But then there's the other things that you don't really understand how he does, but he does them anyway with a crystal ball. So this is basically going to be an idea of what Pete does on the drive. We'll have a little bit of chat later on when the road's going to calm down about why and how Petrolhead started, just to give a bit of information. But then, yeah, we'll crack on with the day. I'll jump back in with Joe, probably throw up because of his driving, and then see where the day takes us. But welcome back to another video. If you're not already subscribed to Joe's channel, do so. I'm going to shameless plug myself. Subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. And let's crack on with some of the most beautiful roads you can see to date.
Where I am now, we've got a cyclist on the right hand side. And we've got two more cars oncoming, and then another cyclist on the right.
And that is what you can expect from Petrolhead Tours. Radio, gear changes, steering, oncoming traffic, and many more. It's the best tour in the world. Let's head over to Joe's car to see what he's dribbling on about.
Excuse me.
So Pete, tell us a quick little bit about how you actually started Petrolhead Tours itself.
Well, the long and short of it is I spent 11 years in IT after I left university, and I spent all my money on cars. So I used to buy things like 993s. I had 4 993s, including a 993 Turbo. I had 4 TVRs, 3 Chimeras in a Tuscan. Used to do car stuff every weekend, just for fun. Used to run Sunday morning breakfast runs and stuff like that. And then a friend of mine, who I knew through the London Tunnel runs, was basically trying to run a business that took people on driving holiday and doing a fairly disastrous job, and asked me if I was interested in joining. So I joined that company 10 years ago. The first tour I went on as an observer. I came back from that and threw everything in the bin because it was just horrible, and started from scratch. And then the long and the short of it is I ended up starting Petrolhead Tours with somebody else back in 2015, and yeah, so this is my 10th year now running tours. 3 cyclists oncoming on the left hand side.
And did it take you long to understand what people wanted from a tour, or was it kind of obvious when you first did that for 10 years ago?
Well, I mean, initially it was simply a case of trying to figure out the best way to do certain things. Look out for Suzuki peeling off on the right hand side. So it's very much from my perspective, you're coming on holiday, you want to pay some money, turn up and enjoy your car.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have to worry about when the next fuel stop is, or if the hotel knows that you're allergic to dairy or anything else. So we try and take care of all the little details, so you don't have to worry about it.
Amazing.
So it's a proper holiday where you just enjoy your car, and it doesn't matter if it's a £1,500 MX-5 or a Ferrari F40 or anything in between.
Yeah.
If you like driving it, then
come on at all.
Yeah.
Amazing. And it's clear to see it is literally like a holiday. It's just wonderful. The roads are incredible. And the thing is, you're surrounded by petrol heads. Like, everyone loves cars, everyone enjoys driving, and the fact that we're on some of the one of the most incredible roads like in France is just awesome. So yeah, it's literally like a holiday, and you don't feel any stress. I mean, do you get stressed about it now, or?
Not very often.
Not very often. Just because I think you plan it so well. I think that's the key,
The more
isn't
I can do in advance,
Yeah.
the less I have to do on the tour.
Fair enough.
Right, so today has been awesome. We've had some amazing roads through the hills and mountains. I know that Patrick started the day with Pete and then he jumped back in with me, and we just had some awesome sort of, it was just, the sections were amazing. We had the cars in front, a Lambo in front, you could hear it. Cars behind, and it was perfect. Yeah, now we've been cruising along for the last half hour or so. Then we're gonna peel off and head down towards Lake Annecy. Now, I love Lake Annecy. Went there on the Alpine trip last year, and I actually went there earlier this year when I filmed the M4 CS video. There's a couple of drone shots that I used from there, and then I peeled my way up. And in fact, we're gonna be using that very road later on today, so I'm excited to show Patrick because it's an awesome bit of road, and I'm excited to try my little M140, see how that fares up against the M4 CS. No.
Anyway,
Either now.
Quick stop at the services for some coffee.
Coffee and wee.
Coffee and wee.
Which way do we go? Do we go that way? Do we go that way? Do we go that way?
And that is probably why I felt sick. You're a dickhead.
Sorry. did that make you feel sick again?
Yeah, could you,
Yeah. Anyway, here.
Joe. Joe. Joe!
Oh.
You can't see anything. I need a torch. Stinks. I'm gonna vomit for the second time
Go
today.
away.
Joe, mate. Joe. Oi, Bellend. You slept through your alarm.
What?
You slept through your alarm, everyone's at the cars.
What?
Wake up.
You mean-
Do you know what time it
Oh,
is?
what time is it?
It's the time that we didn't finish the vlog. You haven't really slept through your alarm.
Can't see what are you shining a torch in my face for.
We need to finish the vlog, mate.
What time is it?
It is currently 10 to 11.
What am I meant to say?
Just be like, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Stay tuned for tomorrow's video.
Stay tuned, go to bed, Patrick.
Yeah. Good job, Joe.
Leave
Night,
me
Jesse.
alone.
Alright, mate. Oh, it's like a teepee over there.